Hi everyone, welcome back to another recipe. Today, I'm showing you guys how to make this creamy Cajun salmon pasta. I know you guys love my creamy Cajun chicken pasta, so today I'm showing you guys a salmon version. This recipe is so yummy. It's perfectly cooked salmon with Cajun seasoning, and also the noodles are tossed in this creamy Parmesan sauce. It's so yummy. Before I show you guys how it's done, take a quick moment to give this video a thumbs up for me because I know you're going to enjoy it. Also, don't forget to leave me a comment down below and let's jump right in. All right, guys, here's what you need to make today's recipe. So yummy, right? Okay, just to name a few, I'll be using salmon, penne pasta, Parmesan cheese, cream cheese, heavy whipping cream, some bell peppers, tomatoes, onions, and a lot of seasoning, okay? Everything will be listed below and as well as on the screen. To begin, I am starting by boiling the pasta. I don't know, I see my husband doing this and I'm like, you know what? You're right about this. Just boil the water, then we can season it after because nobody got time to be doing all these steps. So to save yourself some times, boil the water, add some chicken bouillon and as well as your salt, pour in the pasta, then cover it. Allow that to boil for about 10 minutes and bam, 10 minutes is up. This is my pasta, nice and al dente. I am going to remove it, set it aside. Moving on to the salmon, I'm using 2 salmon fillet. They look a little sad, I'm sorry. I don't know why. This is basically was the last one I can find at the store. So I'm going to rub the salmon with some olive oil. Then I am going to mix up all of my seasoning. I'm using onion powder, garlic powder, a little bit of paprika, Old Bay, and you cannot forget the Cajun seasoning. It's going to add a nice kick to your salmon. It was not spicy, but it gives you a little kick, okay? So make sure to get both sides, of course. Next, to a medium-high heat skillet, you're going to drizzle about 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil in there. Then you are going to add in your salmon. I am going to cook the salmon for about 4 minutes per side. All right, it's time to flip the salmon over. I'm going to flip it and allow the other side to cook for another 4 minutes. My salmon looking beautiful and it's smelling amazing in my kitchen. I cannot wait to devour this pasta. All right. All right, they're nice and ready. I am going to remove them and set them aside. Beautiful. Now, to the same skillet, you are going to add in about 2 tablespoons of butter. Now, this is unsalted. About 3 tablespoons actually. This looks like a 3 tablespoon, right? So we're going to add that in. Then we're going to allow it to melt. Once melted, you are going in with some tomatoes, onions, and as well as some bell peppers, any color of your choice. Add that in there, give it a stir. I am going to allow the veggies to sweat a little bit. Once they're nice and tender, I am going in with some minced garlic. Yes, sir. We're going to add that in there and give it a stir. Cook the garlic for about 30 seconds. Then we're going to move on and pour in the heavy whipping cream. Once you add that in, you are going to add in your cream cheese. This is going to make your pasta so creamy. Be sure to stir it. Now, once your cream cheese is nice and melted, you are going in with some chicken bouillon. This is going to add some extra flavor to your creamy sauce and as well as some Parmesan cheese. Ooh, this is going to be so good, and I know you know it, okay? So stir everything together. Once your Parmesan cheese is nice and melted, you are going with some fresh parsley. Fresh parsley always does it for me. It just tastes so different and in a good way. Okay, this will add an extra flavor profile to your pasta. Add that in, give it a stir. As you can see, it's nice and creamy, it's thick, just how I like it. Then I am going to toss in the pasta. Yes, yes, yes. This is about 3 servings right there, if not more. I am a pasta lover, so I can eat at least 2 plates, okay? At least 2 plates. So I'm going to add a little bit more cheese to make it more creamy, and then I'm going to toss in some more fresh Parmesan cheese, some more parsley in there, and look how thick and creamy the sauce is. Oh my, yes, yes, I love it. At this point, your pasta is ready. It's ready to be served. So I am going to plate this for you. Look how creamy. And this is what happens when you don't add oil to your pasta. The sauce able to cling more on the pasta. So if you're boiling your pasta with oil, please stop it. Okay? Stop it. And this is how I serve the pasta. I added the salmon right on top, and there was some juice from the salmon. I pour that on top. I add some Parmesan cheese to garnish with some fresh parsley, and there you have it. You got yourself this amazing creamy Cajun salmon pasta. How beautiful is that? All right, guys, it's time to dig in and give this Cajun salmon a try. It looks so good. It's creamy. Ooh, and it smells amazing too. So let me try the salmon by itself, and then we can try it all together. All right? Looks so good. Mmm. Perfectly cooked. Yeah, it's perfectly cooked. I don't know if you guys can see it. It looks so good and it smells amazing. Now I want to try it with the pasta. Ooh, it's so creamy. Let's give it a try. Mmm, this is so good. All this under 20 minutes. It's a winner. You have to make this, okay? Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's recipe. It's definitely a 10/10. Would recommend. Try it out and let me know what you think. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.